Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about lubricating the brad nailer. First, you must reference your user's manual to figure out what is the correct type of lubricating oil to use. If you use oil with detergents or other additives, what it's going to do is it's going to damage all of your inside components. So you want to make sure not to use those. Next, I'm going to take an adjustable wrench and remove my coupling where I would hook up the air hose to. Next, I'm going to place 5 to 7 drops of pneumatic tool oil in where I would put that air hose. And lastly, go ahead and replace that coupling.